There are multiple groupings of stitches on the Pfaff Quilt Expression 720. You're going to get to all of them from the menu button. So touch this and you'll be brought to the utility stitches from the straight stitch. And it says that you're in the essential stitch area. If you touch that little long oval, this is where you can see all the other groupings of stitches, the overcast stitches, the buttonholes, and the eyelets and bar tacks. All of those stitches are just in that one main menu. You can also get to other stitches by arrowing up or down. This is almost like going page by page all the way through the machine. This would take you a while if you were looking for a stitch towards the end of the collection, but you can get there that way as well. Touch the menu button. Oh, sorry, not the menu button, the long skinny oval, and that takes you back to this kind of top menu from our utility stitches, quilt stitches, needle art stitches, satin stitches, decorative stitches, keep going, touch the arrow, miscellaneous stitches, monogram, stitch techniques. This is where you can find your ribbon stitches, stacking stitches, and floating stitches. We have videos on all of these. And some additional stitches such as four-way directional stitching and stitches that take specialty feet. So anytime you want to go around to any of those, and this is if you're saving stitches or a memory, they will hang out in the menu 10, which is your personal menu. I don't think, oh, there is a couple things in here. Okay, so when you pick a stitch, you'll come back out to where you were. But this is a quick way to find a stitch from maybe looking in the book, or if you've taken the time to stitch out your stitches like we will be talking about. This is a great time to experiment, see what these stitches look like stitched out on fabric. Trust me, they look so much better. We have a video and an online course that talks about decorative stitches, and you can watch the free video which is linked below this YouTube video of how and why you want to make a stitch book. A stitch book is all the stitches from your machine stitched out so you can see them.